Hey there fellow fashionistas, this is Nikita and welcome again to my channel. Today I will be doing a DIY sweater tutorial with a bloody rose applique. This was actually inspired by my favorite Japanese visual kei band, Nocturnal Bloodlust. Today is Valentine's Day and I'm not really sure if this motif is apropos for the occasion, but I guess it could be romantic in a macabre way. But that's up to you to decide. Anyway, let's begin! thread knot. That's it. So I'm just gonna illustrate how to do backstage. I misspoke. The blanket stitch. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to start from, so you can go around here, start wherever you want to go. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to start with over here, and I am going to push my needle through here. Thread knot is back here. We're going to hide that. That's the whole idea. I got a charcoal thread. It's not exactly black, but I can't really tell. But I thought it'd be nice, like very little contrast. And then from there, just pick, see that I'm picking my needle through the sweater and going through the same hole, basically. Now I'm going to pull it. You see this little loop here? I'm pulling it down and I'm inserting my needle through it. And that would be the first stitch. So we just continue along the way. So I'm going to do the same thing here. It's once you start from a certain direction, that's where you should continue. So I'm just going to go from the back here, pushing through both of these actually, and then inserting my needle, and there's your second stitch. Well, thanks again for watching this video. If you actually make a sweater based on this tutorial, let me know. Please like this video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed to this channel, and share this video to anyone you think would like it. And if you do make that sweater based on this tutorial, let me know. Tag me. I am on social media. I am on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Well, that's it for now. Be you, stay fabulous, and ta-ta.